Hey everybody, I'm Chef Brandon Frohne and welcome to 30-Minute Meals. I'm here to show you some simple everyday grilling recipes. I know how hard it can be to squeeze in dinner after a long day, but all you're gonna need is 30 minutes, some simple tools and ingredients, all from Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and Walmart. Today we are making some smoky ribeyes with summer squash kebabs and a beautiful chimichurri that's gonna tie this dish all together. Let's get cooking. I've loaded in my Kingsford charcoal with hickory. I'm setting the temp to 450 and it'll be ready in just 10 minutes. Pro tip, so we're gonna let our steaks come to room temp for about 20 minutes. This is gonna allow for a more even cook when we go to grill the steaks. Let's knock out a simple chimichurri. Just add all your ingredients to a food processor. We're gonna coarsely chop the mixture for 15 seconds while adding in oil. Then we're gonna set it aside in a small bowl. Now we're gonna season our ribeyes with a touch of salt and pepper and a little oil. We're gonna cook the ribeyes for 5 to 7 minutes on each side. I like my steak medium, so we're gonna cook it to an internal temperature of 145. For the most tender and juicy ribeyes, always let your steaks rest for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make some simple summer squash kebabs. We're gonna add the vegetables to skewers and grill 4 to 5 minutes on each side. This looks so good. Let's dig in. Nothing compares to the flavor of steak cooked over charcoal. You can't get that sear or flavor any other way. You can find this recipe and other simple 30-minute meals that you can master at home right here. Head on over to Walmart to grab your Gravity Series 800 Kingsford charcoal, and I'll see y'all next time.